friends, welcome to my channel. I am a YouTuber. I will be showing healthy as well as daily recipes which you can enjoy. Today I will be sharing a special recipe which is parsley rice and grilled chicken. This is Sunday's special recipe. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel. The ingredients for the grilled chicken are as follows. Chicken, this is approximately 700 grams. Kashmiri red chili powder, green chilies, lemon juice, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garlic and chili paste, ginger, sugar. The chilies you can add according to your taste. If you like more spicy, then you can add more chilies, or if you like less spicy, then just add garlic paste. Parsley leaves, kasuri methi and coriander leaves, and boiled rice and mustard oil. Now I will marinate the chicken and keep it minimum for 2 hours. First I am adding the lemon juice, then the ginger paste, garlic paste, garlic and chili paste. You can add simply garlic paste if you want. Turmeric powder, chili powder I am adding little bit as there is already chilies in the garlic paste. This is Kashmiri red chili powder for the color. A little bit of green chilies, just a little bit. Kasuri methi, coriander leaves. I forgot to mention the curd. I will be adding the curd also. This I will refrigerate in the fridge for minimum of 2 hours. If you marinate it overnight, that would be better. I will also be adding curd, as I mentioned to tell this earlier, forgot to tell this earlier, and 1 egg. This helps in grilling the chicken properly, and it also gives a fine coating to the chicken and makes the chicken juicier and tastier. So now I will mix all this and keep it in the fridge for 2 hours. Now I will be making the parsley rice. I'll be adding oil in a karai. Adding a little bit of butter, we'll be adding green chilies and chopped garlic. Fry it for a while. When the garlic turns light golden brown, add the parsley leaves. Then add the rice. Simmer the gas, then add the rice. Add salt and sugar to taste, and black pepper. Just mixed everything. The parsley rice is now ready. I have added chopped parsley on the top for garnishing and I mixed it. Now I will serve it in a bowl. You can also give this parsley rice in kids' tiffin lunch box. They will love it. Have this parsley rice. This is very delicious. I hope you enjoy this parsley rice. Now I will prepare the grilled chicken. Now I will grill the chicken pieces which was marinated. I have added garam masala, chicken masala and besan. Now I will pour the oil in a pan. Heat the pan. We'll add the chicken pieces one by one. Don't make the pan clumsy. I will fry it for a while in a high flame, then I will flip it over. Let's flip it over. Now lower the flame and shape all these chicken pieces. Now I will cover the chicken pieces so that it gets cooked and in a low flame. Now my chicken is done and it's cooked evenly on all the sides. I will place it over this. This is optional. If you want a tandoori effect, I will place this directly on a flame. This is done. Place it on a plate and serve it. Now I will serve the chicken. Just look at this juicy chicken. Isn't it tasty? I served the parsley rice with the grilled chicken. Please do try my recipe and let me know how it turned out. And if you like my video, please share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Bye.